Okay, all right, language explorers. Let's look at today's Monday nouns. So, mother, a woman who has a child. Yeah, who has a child. Yeah. So, she is my mother. She is my mother. She is a mother. She will be a mother soon. She will be a mother soon. Yeah. This lecture is for mothers. This is a lecture for mothers. This book was written with mothers in mind because it gives them advice. We are listening to more mothers to get their opinions. Yes, we're listening to mothers to get their opinions on things, their thoughts, their feelings on stuff. Yeah. So, mother, singular, and mothers, 2 plus. Yeah. Mother and mothers. 4 mothers, 5 mothers, 10 mothers, 1 mother. We have one mother. We have one mother. This is a room full of mothers. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, that is when she became a mother. That was the year when she became a mother. That was the year when she became a mother. Yeah. When she became a mother, she changed. Yeah, she changed. Yes. So then, are you a mother? Is she? Do you think she is a mother? Is she a mother? Oh. Do you think she will become a mother? Do you think she will become a mother? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. And do you think she will become a mother come November? Will she be a mother this time next year? So this time today, 27th August 2022. This time next year, 2021 today, next year 2022. Maybe. Depends. Not so sure. It's possible. It is possible. It's possible, yeah. Yeah. But she wants to be a mother in general. She wants to be a mother in the future. In the future. Yeah. 2023, 2024, 2025. Yeah, she wants to be. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use mother in a sentence? Can you? And write your sentence in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Yeah. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.